In this video, we are going to install this overhead console power adapter provided by FitDVR for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. This is your device. You have an input of 12 volts, USB output of 5 volts, DC 3.5 mm, 12 volt output, great for radar detectors. On the front, you have an LCD screen which displays voltage and current. If your device becomes unstable, the information on the screen will greatly help you understand the situation. And on the back, you have your 3M adhesive for mounting. Includes your Y cable, which is specific to different types of vehicle. You have mini USB, micro USB, USB-C cables, RJ11 cables, DC 3.5 mm cables, and a DC 3.5 cable B, and a plastic trim tool. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So here on the Honda Pilot, I have my dash cam, which I need power for. We're going to remove this overhead console, as this is where we'll plug in the Y cable. To remove, you want to remove these two lights first. Simply use your pry tool. Go ahead and push it up, stick it in, and then pry it out. Repeat that for the other side. Then you're going to have two screws up in here, in which you just want to use a Phillips and then unscrew it. Okay, then you want to open up here the sunglasses storage, and you have two more screws to remove. Then it just falls down. And this here is where you want to use your Y cable. To install the cable, we're going to simply unplug this. Take your Y cable, and the plug that you remove, we're going to plug it in. And then the other end, we're going to go ahead and plug that in. And then this last cable here is where you're going to plug in your device. So I'm going to run this device underneath the headliner so that I'll come out through here and I can plug it in to the connector. Then you take the other end and we're going to go ahead and plug it together. Then we go ahead and reverse everything and screw everything back on top. Then you clean the area in which you're gonna go ahead and mount your device. I'm gonna go ahead and mount mine right here. So I cleaned the area already. Then you remove your 3M adhesive. Then you're gonna take one of your included cables. In my case, we have your USB-C. So I'm going to use the USB-A to USB-C and just plug it in. Okay, here's how it is installed. 1.35 amps going out to your dash cam. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.